Hey, what's going on, guys? Vega here from Serpent X Special Forces. Hope everybody's doing good today, especially after the past couple days, because we had a nice little run up with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin finally broke over that 6,000, 7,000 range, and now we're up in the 8,000s or close to. Now, last night we dropped down from around 8,200 back down to around 7,900, which is where we're currently sitting. And throughout this time, the altcoins were suffering, but last night or yesterday, coming into today, the altcoins are doing a little bit better. So the main purpose of this video is to kind of show you that you should be considering loading up on altcoins and what to look out for with all these various projects and altcoins that are out there. First, I wanted to talk to you about the snapshot. So if you come over to CoinMarketCap and we look back at the snapshot, I guess you could say, you could go up to Tools at the top of the website, click Historical Snapshots, come down to the most recent, and let's go to May 5th. So this is, again, which is where we were around 5,700 on BTC, Ethereum was around 163, Ripple was around 30 cents, so on and so forth. So we should have been loading up on altcoins then. If you have, great. I also was loading up on certain altcoins, trying to prepare for a pump or raise up. Now, it's not a full straight up pump up, but we don't want it to be, because if we let Bitcoin ride and it went from 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, there would have been a likelihood or a greater chance of a crash. Now, first off, this is not financial advice and all the other legal stuff I gotta say. I'm not an expert in trading. None of that information I can provide you and guarantee you, so do your own research. But I am a miner, and when I mine, what I do is some of the currency I take and I trade it. I might set up some stop losses and keep an eye on everything, moving averages, RSI, all that good stuff, to kind of help me evaluate, all right, where do I want to sell this percentage of this altcoin, and so on and so forth. So do your own research. It's very important. But because up until recently Bitcoin was down and so were the altcoins, everything was kind of trading sideways, we now got a run up, and if it would have went all the way up or continued to go up, we probably would have had a crash, and it would have been not so good. So we're trading sideways now, which is good. So we got a nice little run up and we're trading sideways, which is what we want. We want everything to catch up, moving averages, all that good stuff. But it's still a opportunity for you to load up on altcoins. So when I say load up on altcoins, what altcoins you want to look at? Well, I can't tell you which ones to specifically choose. I could tell you that I have obviously some Raven, because I've spoken about it before. I mine Raven. I don't buy Raven. I mine Raven. But there are some altcoins out there that you could look into if you do not mine it. Now, what should you look for? So say, for example, you bump into an altcoin. If you want to stay with the top 100 altcoins and buy into those, that's your prerogative. That's totally up to you. But let's just say we're looking for an altcoin. We're looking around some stuff. What do you want to look for? What I look for is, say, for example, I'm looking at a coin. First off, the 24-hour trading volume is a question mark. Not so good. Secondly, I go and I look at the coin. How's the history doing? How long has it been active? Stuff like that. Now, just because it's only been active for a short amount of time does not mean it's a crappy coin. This is why you got to do your own research. So this coin's only been around since October 22nd, and no problems with the team with Omen Coin or anything like that. I'm just giving you an example. Hopefully they fix in the future. But if you go to that coin and you look at it, there's no 24-hour circulating supply, no market cap, no information. You go to markets and it's only available on one exchange. That may be a couple red flags that you may want to just move on to the next coin. Also, I'd like to check out the website. If I click the website and it loads up to a page that looks like this, or a page that kind of looks, then that's another red flag. So you may not want to look into that coin. You may keep an eye on your radar, but you may not want to get that coin or mine that coin. Omen Coin is mineable. Now, when I'm looking for these coins, let me show you exactly what I want to see. So, HOT or holochain. I click on the coin. I look at its history. Right, it's been around for a bit now. April of 2018, so a little bit over a year. I look at the markets. What markets is it available at? All right, it's got a pretty good wide berth, I guess you could say. I check out its social. I might go to its page and check it out, because you want to see activity, not only on the social media networks, but you want to check the website, make sure they got activity on there. But here's another big thing. If we go to their website, the website looks good. It looks clean. It looks professional. So let's scroll through it. All right. So it gives us some information, testimonials, scalable distributed apps and data integrity, white paper, which you definitely want to read the white paper. I know everybody doesn't read the white paper. I like to, and I don't do it on all of them. So that's my bad. You should definitely read the white paper if you can, or try to get a summary. It gives us information about the coin, the project, the team. But this is what I'm looking for right here. You see that GitHub? Let's go check out their GitHub. Last updated 9 hours ago. So we want to look for activity on their website. Make sure the website's clean, professional, and get informational. We want to check out their social media networks. Make sure that they're updating, they're posting updates, and there's some type of progress that they're trying to relay, that they're transparent and open with the community. And we want to check out their GitHub and other outlets such as that. Like, let's see, I'm pretty sure they do have one. Yeah, so they got a GitHub, they got a Facebook, they got a Twitter, they got a Reddit, they got a Telegram, they got I believe that's Medium. Yeah, they got a Medium, right? So the coins that you're looking for need to meet these criteria. They don't need to meet. You can get whatever coin you want, but these are the criteria that I suggest they meet before you invest, buy, or mine it. Now, you can't mine hot or hollow chain, but it's a coin or a token that you can buy through various exchanges that you saw before, and that's a very big point. So make sure that the website looks good, that they have a GitHub, that they have a Medium, they have a social media presence, they're on Telegram, that they're active in those programs. Just because they have a Telegram and a GitHub and everything, and they're not active, that should make you draw some red flags. If there's another good point that I mentioned before, like their website's really good and their social media networks are good, but they're not active on the GitHub, and you believe in the project and you believe in the goals and what they're trying to accomplish, then you can just weigh out the pros and cons and make a decision yourself. But these are all things that you should be looking at before you go either mining or investing in these altcoins. Don't go to find an altcoin, go to their website and they don't even have a website. Or don't find an altcoin and you're looking at their 24-hour volume and they don't even have it, or a market cap, or they don't have any presence. There's no progress being made. Some of these altcoins, because they've grown so much, right? So there's been so many altcoins popping up on the market these days, it's kind of hard to determine what you should look into and what you shouldn't. It should be a project that you like, a project that you support, ideas or a tangible benefit to this project or currency, and a good professional website, social media networks, and activity on those. And if you reach and you check out all of those outlets and everything's looking good, they're looking strong, they're posting, they're making updates, they're transparent with the community, and they have a professional program, that may be a currency that you want to look into. Because right now, even though we have this nice little pump, some of the altcoins are getting ripe for the taking. Even though the cryptocurrency market is kind of trading sideways, pay attention, because if it dips again before it does another run up, you could load up on some of that altcoin and then go from there. I personally have a bag of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, BAT, basic attention token. What is it? Engine. What is it called? Engine coin. I think that's how you say it. Engine coin. I had some hot. I let it go before it dipped down. I should have picked it back up, but that's neither here or there. The point being is you should be loading up on altcoins, especially right now. You should have been doing it before right now, but right now is a good time to look into it. Buy the dips, sell the highs, don't catch the knife, pay attention, do your own research. And if you're a miner like myself, the best way to maximize your profits is not only to mine these currencies, if they're mineable. Not all of them are mineable, but if they are mineable, to maximize your profits, trade on the side. Even if you're not an expert, you can set up some stop losses where it reaches a certain limit, then it will execute an order at a certain price. That's something that you want to look into, and I hope this information that I shared with you in the video helps you out in some form or fashion. Besides that, like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Haven't been much into the content lately because I've been busy, personal stuff, dealing with family, dealing with work. But I'll try to get some more content out in the future. Definitely hit that like button if you can throw the channel some support, because I'm trying to grow it as fast as I can, as fast as time and my life allows me to. But appreciate you watching, and take care. I'll catch you guys in the next one.